The 1668 edition of De Monstris by Fortunio Liceti was published in Padua after the author's death. The text was already well known, mainly through illustrated editions issued in 1634 and 1665. The book is groundbreaking in the European understanding of congenital anomalies, for it seeks their explanation in biology rather than attributing them to supernatural causes. The first edition of 1616 lacked illustration and had little impact, but once the text was issued with images, it was widely read. It documents perceived abnormalities ranging from multi-headed animals to conjoint twins. Liceti compiled examples available from other sources. His innovation was to classify the anomalies. His treatise divides the perceived monstrosities into uniform and non-uniform. The uniform includes the deficient, such as missing limbs, and the excessive, such as multiple heads. The non-uniform ranges from intersex creatures to human-animal hybrids, including the real and the imagined. The book's engravings, probably by the Dutch artist Hendrik Barry, document many of the human anomalies and remarkable creatures described in the text. Some are quite charming, such as the two-headed snake, three-headed lamb, and five-footed chicken that share a scene with other animals. Other images are more disturbing, such as the three views of a girl named Octavia with eyes on the back of her head and a partially detached nose. It is unusual for an engraving to offer more than one view of the same specimen. More commonly, two or more figures pictured together are understood to be examples of the same sort of abnormality, such as the so-called multiform monsters that are human-animal hybrids. The 1668 edition includes an appendix by Gerard Blasius on cases of monsters that became famous after Liceti's original publication. Among these is a perfectly normal chimpanzee described by the Dutch physician Nicholas Tulp in 1641. The chimp is presented as a dignified creature, seated on a hillock with her eyes closed, as if in deep thought. Liceti argued that the word monster came from the Latin verb meaning to show, and his illustrated treatise shows a wide range of beings in a systematic fashion. The facsimile was published by Siloé in Spain in 2022.